Program number 5. In this program, we are introducing the sounds
A and A.
Listen to the sounds again.
A, A,
Listen and repeat.
A, 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 A.
Note that these sounds are very common in most of the world languages and easy to pronounce. Listen and repeat.
A, 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 A.
Listen to the sound
A,
in the initial position of the following words.
an, az, ak.
Listen and repeat.
An, az, ak. An, az, ak.
Now, listen again to the same sound in the medial position of the following words.
Lab, nas, khar.
Listen and repeat.
Lab, nas, khar. Lab, nas, khar. A,
Sound does not occur at word final position. Now listen,
a,
sound at the word initial position.
ab, as, ak.
Listen and repeat.
Ab, as, ak. Ab, as, ak.
Listen to the sound
A,
at the word medial position.
bag, thal, das.
Listen and repeat.
Bag, thal, das. Bag, thal, das.
Now listen to the same sound at word final position.
Saza, safa, Allah, mahara.
Listen and repeat.
Saza, safa, Allah, mahara. Saza, safa, Allah, mahara.
Dear learners, we assume that now you are able to produce these sounds easily. Listen and repeat these words.
An, az, ak, lab, nas, khar, ab, as, ak, bag, thal, das. An, az, ak, lab, nas, khar, ab, as, ak, bag, thal, das.